Today we're going to make a volcano out of a lemon. You're just going to need a few supplies from around your house. You need 1 lemon, a tablespoon of baking soda, some food coloring, any color, and then a fork and a knife for your parents to use. So you're going to have your parents cut off about 1/3 of the lemon and then a little bit of the bottom as well, and it'll look just like this. All right, now let's see what happens. Awesome. If you guys tried these experiments at home, please make sure to have your parents send us a picture or video and hashtag it, show us how you science.